Can the xsTECH Pro cut aluminum? You betcha. All you have to do is factor in the size of the spindle when you're making your program. I programmed this with skinny stepovers, a decent depth of cut, and then just ripping through the material in order to make this part. Granted, you're not breaking any land speed barriers, but you can get a lot done with it. Let's check it out. As always, if you temper your expectations based on the power of the machine, you can get a lot done. Let's check out the part. This is a pretty straightforward operation. I did some outside profiling, some facing, a bore job to drill the hole, some thread milling, and a little bit of 3D surfacing just to prove that the machine can. Ultimately, this is the first time running this job, so I'm going to slow down the feed rate here on the contour on the outside, slow down the ball surfacing on the inside of this contoured pocket, and run it again, see what that looks like. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Pre-sales@tormach.com.